Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to stitch on TikTok with a saved video. So guys, as you know, the stitch feature on TikTok allows you to kind of merge two videos together, either at the beginning or at the end of a video. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that with a video that you have on your phone. So let's get started. Now the first step to take is, of course, open your TikTok app and then log into your TikTok device. Then after that, you have to click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to either upload or record a new video. But of course you have to upload a video because we are doing this with a saved video on our device. So after choosing the video, you can add sounds, effects, text, stickers to this video like you normally do to your regular videos, and then you click on the next button at the bottom right corner of your screen. And at this point you have to change the who can watch this video from only me to from everyone to only me, in order for you to make this video private before uploading on TikTok, so that we can be able to add a new recorded video to this video. So I'm going to click on post. I already have this video uploaded on TikTok, so I'm just going to go to my TikTok profile and show you how you can go about that. So this is my TikTok profile, so I'm going to go to my private videos. So here's the video. So if you want to merge another video to this video, what you have to do is to click on the three dots and then you find the stitch option right here. Go ahead and click on that. This can allow you to trim this video to the part where you would like to add a new video to. So I'm going to trim it to this part, and then I'm going to have to click on the next button at the top right corner in order for me to record it in order for me to record a new video that I will merge the other video with. So I'm going to click on Alright, so after recording you have to click on the check mark. And now right now you notice something. The previous video, the video we uploaded from my device will play first before the other one I recorded. So let me play this video so I can notice something. Alright, so that is it. So that is how you can actually stitch on TikTok with a saved video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.